Shutting down a computer might seem simple, but there are actually 4 effective methods to do it. First up, the classic way. Click on the Start menu, select Shut Down, and choose your option. It's straightforward and reliable. Next, we have the keyboard shortcut. Just press Alt plus F4 when you're on the desktop, and a shutdown menu pops up. It's quick and can save you time, especially during those late-night study sessions. Third, there's the command prompt method. Open it up and type shutdown SAT0 to shut down instantly. This is a great trick for tech-savvy students who want to impress their friends. Lastly, you can create a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. Right-click, select New, then Shortcut, and enter the shutdown command. Now, you have a one-click solution right at your fingertips. Each method has its perks, so pick the one that fits your style.